In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix the E4 error on your HP Deskjet printer. Whether you're using a Deskjet 2600, 2700, or even a model from an earlier or newer series, the solutions I'll show should apply. But first, what exactly is the E4 error? On most Deskjet printers, this error typically indicates a paper jam within the printer. We'll start with the simplest solutions first, gradually moving to more involved ones. So let's dive in and clear that paper jam. First, turn off your HP Deskjet printer and gently open the paper tray. Removing the paper and checking for any stuck pieces can help resolve an E4 paper jam error. Next, inspect the input tray for any visible signs of paper that might be stuck. Sometimes paper might crumple or fold during printing, causing this error. Once the trays are clear, open the printer's access door to check if there is any paper inside the printer mechanism that wasn't visible before. Use a flashlight to look deep into the printer's internal mechanism. This can help you see and remove any hidden paper that could be causing the jam. Gently pull any jammed paper towards you from inside the printer. Always pull paper in the direction it normally moves when printing to avoid damage. Try rotating the paper rollers by hand. Sometimes small bits of paper cause issues that can be resolved by manually turning the rollers to free them. Finally, check for any debris or small particles left inside the printer. A clean, debris-free printer helps prevent future jams and ensures smooth operation. If you've tried all these solutions and the E4 error persists, it's possible that there is a deeper mechanical issue at play. At this point, you may want to check out our recommended replacement parts in the description, which might be the key to solving your problem. If your printer is quite old, consider watching our next video on the best new printers on the market that offer efficiency and reliability.